When you want the best microscope for live blood analysis, or for use in virtually any clinic, laboratory, or classroom environment, without having to break the bank, your choice is evident with this Olympus CX43 Biomed-X configured masterpiece. Built in Japan, this is like the Lexus of microscopes. It will provide you with the quality, feel, performance, and reliability you want for driving your visionary microscopic endeavors. With an integrated variable mode universal condenser that is hassle-free and rock-steady, and where having to use immersion oil is optional, you get bright field, dark field, phase contrast, and 3D modulation contrast with a simple turret rotation giving you optimal vision flexibility right out of the box. And with easily added image polarization and fluorescence, you can take your observational powers to new levels of discernment and discovery. Utilizing evident Olympus Universal Infinity System objectives, it provides world-class resolution and contrast for the various observational methods available with this microscope. Coupled to a binocular head assembly and with high-definition video output through the Biomed-X Micro Image Pro camera, multiple paths are opened up for viewing, capturing, recording, and manipulating the dynamic scenes you will uncover using this amazing tool. This professional microscope is built for the long-term and non-obsolescence. And with its powerful LED lighting, you could use it 40 hours a week for the next 28 years without ever needing to change a light bulb. Let your microscopic discovery begin today and take a virtual spin of this microscope at biomedx.com.